The New Zealand government scholarships are designed to support talented students from developing countries to study at top universities in New Zealand. These scholarships focus on building skills and knowledge that contribute to sustainable development, leadership, and long-term positive impact in home countries. The program is fully funded. It covers tuition fees, living expenses, travel costs, health insurance, and academic support, allowing students to focus completely on learning. New Zealand is known for its high-quality education system, innovative research, and welcoming multicultural society. Students benefit from the academic field and practical learning, critical thinking, and global perspectives. Scholars are encouraged to apply their education to real-world challenges, especially in areas like environmental sustainability, agriculture, education, and public policy. The New Zealand Government Scholarship is more than an opportunity to study abroad. It is a commitment to growth, responsibility, and global development.